Hey guys, thanks for tuning in to Wicked Warnings, your #1 source for construction and emergency safety strobe lighting equipment, just like what we're installing on these two brand new Super Duties. I got some good news and I'll make it real quick. Partnered up with Miller Cat for all of my Ford truck customers out there. All right, nobody ever wants to come out to their truck in the morning and see these taillights gone. It's becoming very popular to get taillights stolen from the F-150s, from the Super Duties, from any of these Ford trucks that have this 5/16 little bolt that holds the tail light in. Very easy. Every thief in the world knows where to get a 5/16 nut driver. So that's what's going on, is a lot of taillights are getting stolen. We hooked up with Miller Cat to bring you guys a security screw set. It's through the affiliate program. You can take a look. These are security screws. So extremely easy to install. Pretty much going to cover any of the Ford trucks that have this 5/16. It's quite a bit. F-150, Super Duty, all of that, all susceptible to theft. So if you want to get rid of those and go with these, the install is extremely easy. You grab your 5/16. You simply take out the top screw, and I'll do them one at a time to keep the taillight nice and secure. You don't even need to take the taillight out. You grab your favorite driver, because included in the kit is your security bit. So you grab your favorite bit driver, whether it be a hand drive or a power drive, that's up to you. Be very careful using a power drive. It's a plastic taillight. You don't want high torque. I actually do hand drive myself. So we put the bit in there. Go ahead and put the washer over the screw for a little extra support. Washers are included. And you simply thread that right back in to where the old screw was. Now this particular hand drive I have, I can move the bit over to the end and I can give it that last little bit of security there as far as tightness. Now I'll try to look up a torque spec for taillight screws, but honestly, use your hand judgment. Don't break your taillight. This isn't rocket science. Once you put those in there, these heads are rounded, and with the washer, it's very difficult for a vice grip or a plier to grab that. It's going to be extremely hard to get all four out with the pliers. Without the security bit, you really won't be able to get these out. So of course, take the bag that these come in, put the bit in it, put a note in it, tail light locks, and or put the instructions back in the bag with the bit, and make sure you put this in the glove box, because it needs to go with your wheel key. So or with the key to access your spare tire. It's a great spot. So, but this is what we got for all of our Ford truck customers. We're gonna have a link for you. You get a little bit of a deal off on this product. Hopefully it works for you, and you can lock down those taillights before they get stolen. So that's it. Thanks again for tuning into Wicked Warnings. We're bringing you this product by Miller Cat in the affiliate program, just because I have a lot of Ford Super Duty customers and I don't want to see any of you guys get your taillights ripped off. So I tried to hook up and get you a small deal on this. So make sure you click that link to grab your set and post up on our channel about it, tag us, all that good stuff. You know how the social media stuff works. So hit us up at Wicked Warnings. Not only are we making your lights strobe, but we're also keeping them secure. So thanks again for tuning in, and we'll see you guys with the next amazing product.